Hello planner friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another plan with me for you for the week of July 12th through July 18th. For this week I did use the kit, my collaboration kit with Planner Just For You, Sophie of Planner Just For You. This kit turned out so beautifully. Basically I just asked Sophie for what I wanted and she brought it to life and it looks amazing. If you are interested in checking out this kit, I will of course link her shop down below, as well as the previous video that I did that sort of goes through the kit and yeah, just everything that's sort of in the kit. And if you're interested in checking that out, yep, I will leave that linked. I also do have a coupon code for Sophie's shop listed in the description box as well. So you can save a little bit of money if you are looking to pick up this kit. I wanted to use this kit for this week because this was the week that the collaboration actually went live. And I had every intention of getting this video up around like July 20th, which would have been like the Tuesday after I finished planning this spread. But, you know, life happens and that didn't quite happen. So here we are. Hopefully this will go live on July 30th. I'm recording this voiceover on the 29th right now. And yeah, hopefully I'll start to get back into the swing of things moving forward. I know this video is a little bit out of order. I usually try to go in chronological order for my plan with me's, but I really wanted to make sure that this video went up next for you guys so that you could actually see like the kit in action. So yeah, let's see. What else do I need to talk about? You know, I feel like when I sat down to record this voiceover, I had so many things that I wanted to say, and now I remember like literally none of them. So I guess I'll just sort of go into what I'm doing here. I did scatter all of the full boxes and the glitter headers. Those both come with the full kit as well as the, what are those called? Water trackers. Those come with the full version of the kit as well. The foiled weekend banner does also come if you purchase the foil with the kit. It comes in the foiled sheets, as well as the glitter header overlays. Those can also come with the kit. And then you can also choose your foil color, so you don't have to pick silver, but I really liked silver with this kit, so that's what I went with. The actual like pattern of the full boxes is a little bit different this time around. You could definitely separate the two sets of double boxes if you wanted to. I decided to keep them together and just did a little bit different pattern than I usually do with my full boxes, and I think it turned out super cute. Let's see, I did move into my sidebar after that. I used my typical 3 habit trackers. All 3 of those habit trackers do come with the kit. Then I used the weekly box and an extra checklist at the bottom. That July script is from Letters to Apollo, and then the 3 scripts in the habit trackers are from Sticky Sloth Designs, who I believe is actually open again. And then the To Do and This Week scripts are in silver foil from Whimsical Plans. So from there, I moved into my day by day. Monday is trash day, so I just used one of the icons that came with the kit along with a trash day sticker that is in Sherry from Planning Peeps handwriting, but you can also purchase that at Planner Just For You. Then I marked working from home. That laptop sticker is from Fox and Cactus, and the script is from Planner Just For You. Then I wanted to mark that it was kind of a long day, so I used a very tired, like, nighttime working girl from Stationery Heaven. I'm not sure if they're still open. I think it's been a while since I've purchased from them, but if they are, I will of course link their shop down below. For this week, I did try to focus on using the icons that came with the kit and pretty much just everything that came with the kit because I really love how it turned out. Anyway, next I marked laundry day. The icon is from the kit. The script is from Whimsical Plans. I also baked a cake that day, and that emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I was working on some soldering And attaching a backboard to a bookshelf, I just used a couple of check boxes from Chic Street stickers. Those were left over from a previous kit from her. And yeah, just used those to mark those tasks. On Tuesday, the first thing that I did was go to Einstein Brothers for breakfast. That coffee icon came with the kit. I marked work from the office with another Fox and Cactus laptop and a script from Planner Just For You. Then I marked that the planner kit went live, the collaboration went live with this little starry-eyed emoji. I am so excited that this kit is now live, and it's kind of like a dream come true. I think it was just such a fun experience. So thank you again, Sophie, for collabing with me. This was so much fun, and I love how it turned out. Let's see, next I marked that it was a long day, but a very tiring day. So I used this like bleh munchkin from Once More With Love to mark that. I also marked that I was feeling very tired because I was feeling very, very tired that day. That Tired AF script is from Letters to Apollo, and the girl sticker is from Stationery Heaven. And then I just marked shaving because I had an awkward amount of space there, and I did do that day. So there you go. Moving on to Wednesday, I marked working from home, again the same way that I did on Monday. Then I marked getting sushi. I think I had sushi for lunch that day, so I pulled in a sushi sticker from Scribble Prints Co. And I was also feeling tired that day. Yeah, it was a tired week. Very busy, and I wasn't sleeping very well, so that happens. But yeah, that munchkin is from Once More With Love, and again the Tired AF script is from Letters to Apollo. Then I marked that I made myself some cold brew. That coffee icon is super old from Scribble Prints Co. I'm certain that you can't get those anymore, so sorry about that. Let's see. Then I wanted to work on sanding and priming some bookcase doors, so I pulled in this painting icon from Scribble Prints Co. And then I had to repaint my nails that evening, so I pulled in another icon from Scribble Prints Co. to mark that. Moving on to Thursday, the first thing that I did was go through the drive-thru at Panera and just grab some breakfast. I pulled in this fork and knife icon that came with the kit, and then I had to pull that up because I wanted it on the other side of the page. But yeah, then I pulled in this running pumpkin paper co Terra because I got halfway to work that morning and realized that I didn't have my badge with me, so I had to drive home and get it because a lot of our staff are sort of like working from home still on like every other day or however they do their schedules. But yeah, so I had to go back and get my badge. I then marked work the same way that I did on Tuesday. When I got home, I cooked some dinner. That spaghetti munchkin is from Once More With Love. We watched Loki that evening, and that TV icon came with the kit. I needed to prime the other side of the bookcase doors, so I just marked that again with another painting sticker from Scribble Prints Co. That evening, we also spent some time trimming all of the fur baby nails, so I pulled in this paw print sticker that also came with the kit to mark that. And then I spent the rest of the evening doing some filming. The film script is from Planner Just For You, and the icon came with the kit. Moving on to Friday, the first box in Friday was a little bit of a hot mess because I could not get the spacing correct. So it's going to take me just a minute to get that all figured out, but it does eventually work out. So I marked working from home the same way that I had on Monday and Wednesday. Then I had an IV appointment that day, so I just pulled in one of these syringe stickers. I believe that's from Little Miss Paperie. And yeah, I feel like I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself here, but anyway, I also did some reading that day. The book icon came with the kit, and the read script is from Letters to Apollo. On Friday, I also had a package that I needed to go pick up. It was like a buy online, pick up in store kind of deal. So I did that. The package icon is from Scribble Prints Co. My husband and I also did some shopping at a mall. I had to pick up the thing like at the mall. So then while we were there, we just ended up doing some shopping. So yeah, that shopping sticker is from Scribble Prints Co. as well. And then for dinner, we went and got some really delicious Japanese food. So I pulled in this onigiri from Scribble Prints Co. to mark that. On Saturday morning, we ended up going for kind of a drive. There was a bench that I wanted to pick up that someone had posted on Facebook Marketplace, and I wanted to refinish it. So yeah, we went for a drive and picked up the bench. The map, like geotag sticker, came with the kit. And then I used a star sticker that also came with the kit to mark picking up the bench. And then on our way back, we ended up getting some McDonald's. That munchkin is from Once More with Love, and the script is from Kinzi's Creations, who is unfortunately no longer open. Breaks my heart a little bit. Kinzi, I will miss your shop so much. If you're watching this, I don't know if you are, but if you are, I will miss your shop so, so much. Moving on to the second box in Saturday, I had a hair appointment. So I pulled in this, oh my gosh, what is that called? A hair dryer. Oh my gosh. That is a hair dryer icon that came with the kit. And then the hair appointment sticker or script is from Kinzi's Creations. I also got Chipotle for dinner that evening. The burrito sticker is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then just had some chill family time. The boop sticker is from Once More with Love. And then the family time script is from Planner Just For You. On Sunday, I spent the morning doing some online shopping, so I pulled in this laptop icon that came with the kit. I also needed to pull in an extender because there was just so much that happened on Sunday. So, yeah. Then I pulled in this emoji eating pancakes to mark that my husband made pancakes and coffee for breakfast that morning, and it was delicious. Then I did some planning and pulled in this super old planner sticker from Scribble Prints Co. And then, did I already pull in the script from Kinzi's Creations? I think so. Then I wanted to edit a plan with me. That play button is from the kit. The edit plan with me script is from Planner Just For You, that you can get separately. And then I also, what did I mark with that? Oh, I did an anime binge that morning, afternoon, something like that. And that binging girl is from Stationary Heaven. Then we had tropical smoothie for lunch. Was it more like dinner? It probably was more like dinner because our Sundays kind of get a little bit weird for what time we eat. But anyway, we had tropical smoothie. That green drink is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then I had some time snuggling Maisie Girl. The doggo sticker is from Once More with Love, and the Snuggle Maisie script is a custom from Kinzi's Creations. In the afternoon, I'm going to go a little bit out of order from how I'm doing this here, but in chronological order and how it's in my planner. I used this Snorlax sticker from Fox and Cactus to mark that I actually took a nap that day. It's been such a long time since I've had a nap, and it was, oh, so much needed. Then I marked that I was struggling a little bit that day, so the One Day at a Time script is from Caffeine and Paper, I believe is her new name. And yeah, that munchkin is from Once More with Love. And then I did some video notes, and that pencil sticker is from the Coffee Monsters Co. So I'm just going to put my page back in my planner, and then I really wanted to decorate with all of these super cute silver stars that I had from one of the deco pages. I didn't want to add those like throughout the week while I was planning because really I use my planner functionally, so it just like decorating with the extra deco pieces while I'm planning just doesn't work out very well. But I did want to use as much of the kit as possible and as much of the foil as possible. And I think that the stars turned out super, super cute, especially above the Snorlax. I probably went a little overboard above the Snorlax, but I was like, a nap under the night sky. Sure, let's go with that. But anyway, so I will leave everything, all of the shops that I used in this plan with me, linked in the description box down below. Again, I do have a coupon code for Planner Just For You, and I will link her shop down below as well. Here is a wiggle to show off all of the gorgeous silver foil. I really love how this spread turned out and how much of the kit I was actually able to use. There was very little left of it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. hope you all take good care and have a good one.